thing was that they knew every song, they were singing every song with me, then so they really enjoy Bollywood music. I see a lot of great artists who've backed their children, taken them with them for shows, but then वही हो जाता है कि अरे आपके साथ अपना बेटा दो गाना गा देगा. So I don't want that to happen to him. We also sang some very funny songs. This rain, rain, rain. And at the moment, not too many of my songs have got a remake. But if it's done well, why not? I did remixes of so many songs when I was growing up. आपको ये समझना चाहिए कि लोग मुझे सुन रहे हैं तो सुनने लायक कुछ बनाना चाहिए. Be it rap, be it R&B, be it even semi-classical kind of songs, ghazals, bhajans. It's all got a life back again. Arunachal Pradesh's message to the rest of the world is always safeguard nature, always live with nature, coexist with nature. This doesn't belong to us. We belong to nature. আমি যে তোমার শুধু যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার. It's actually very close to an old Bengali song.
Hi, I'm Pooja and I'm from India Today NE. Such an honor to walk with someone I grew up listening to.
My pleasure. Thank you, Pooja. And it's been a wonderful, long journey. And like you said, it's always nice to come to this part of the world,
Yes.
to the northeast, to Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya. It's always so beautiful, so closer to nature that, you, even if it's a short visit, you feel like you've really,
You got something.
you got something, yeah. You got to breathe some good oxygen.
And you're the charm of Bollywood, and now you're becoming the charm of Arunachal Pradesh because people were loving you last night.
No, it's the love of the people. Wherever you feel that acceptance, you feel that love, adoration, fills your heart. You want to, do everything you can to entertain, to please, to bring those smiles to the faces. And already the people here look so happy and,
Happy.
charming and smiling. So it's easy to do this here. Last night was a lot of fun, the Siang River Festival. We are right here by the Siang River. So generally they name something and you don't feel the connection, but here we were staying at this lovely Minong place and it's right by the river, and we went there and performed at a festival called the Siang River Festival. So it really felt great, wonderful people, and all of them, some of them in their ethnic style clothes.
Yes,
I've
yes,
also
yes. You're wearing
added a little bit. The amazing thing was that they knew every song, they were singing every song with me, so they really enjoy Bollywood music. I was a little surprised.
So you have seen Indian music industry grew by step actually, and you're holding a space there. So do you see any kind of changes which was not there, now it is happening all around?
No, changes will always happen. I've been there from the mid-90s, so
Yes.
it's almost 30 years now. So a lot of changes are meant to be there. But, it's all transitionary. Everything changes and then changes again, then changes again. So trends come, trends go. I think what's important is to accept it, to not try to be, condescending about it. कि अरे ये क्या चल रहा है, अरे ये गलत है, ऐसा नहीं वैसा होना चाहिए. And you have to adapt and connect. That's how you can have a longer career. Sometimes you have ups, you have downs. You don't get the kind of work that you want, but you have to keep yourself fit.
Up to date.
Yes, fit mentally, physically, and up to date.
Yes. And also your son, he's such a good singer, and every time his clips got viral or something, people loved it. So do you think he should also come to Bollywood, like he should also grab a place there?
So Mahi is signed up with Saregama, and he's doing a lot of shows. Hopefully he will be performing in the Northeast soon. Today as we speak, he's performing it at Prayagraj, which is Allahabad. So he has a show there. I'm glad that he's going step by step, slowly, but on his own.
Yes.
I am not कि चलो मेरा यहाँ शो है, मेरे साथ दो गाना गा दो.
Yes,
He has his own journey.
Matlab, you are not promoting and he's promoting himself.
Yes, he's promoting himself and he is getting his own audience.
Okay.
So that I like. Sometimes, what happens is that because with all the talent also, somehow if you are under your father's shadow, you don't get to shine so much. So I don't want him to do that. I see a lot of great artists who've backed their children, taken them with them for shows, but then वही हो जाता है कि अरे आपके साथ अपना बेटा दो गाना गा देगा. So I don't want that to happen to him.
You should create your own legacy.
Exactly, create his own. Yeah, in music, there's nothing as legacy. In acting, even though you can get a chance because you're so and so, you want people to come and watch the film. So when you say that you're so and so's son, so and so's daughter, you get a bigger. But in singing, you have to sing. If you can't sing, then no one's son and no one's daughter will help you.
Okay. And also, I would like to ask you that do you think today's lyrics are meaningful?
Yes, of course. I mean, there
Because
were.
we have seen such kind of lyrics which
No,
doesn't make sense.
In every era, there are these things. When we also sang some very funny songs. This rain, 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 and so a lot of every era they have fun lyrics, senseless lyrics, very sensible lyrics. Even now again, I feel ghazals are coming back. People are
Yes,
listening
people are
to
listening to-
songs with okay, not very heavy Urdu, very heavy poetry, but meaningful.
Okay. Do you like someone to remake your songs and give a better version or something? Do you feel that like your songs can get a remake or it will get better version or something?
I mean, the songs that I have sung don't really belong to me because that I've only sung. Someone has composed it, someone has
Yes.
written the lyrics. And yes, if they can make a better version, people get to see it, listen to it again. I think Nikamma, they did a new version on
Nikamma,
that.
okay.
And Dasbana, they did Dasbane, but KK and me sang the second part also.
Yes.
So, yeah. At the moment, not too many of my songs have got a remake.
Yes.
But if it's done well, why not? I did remixes of so many songs when I was growing up, so it's okay.
Yes. And also there is this one song, Ami Je Tomar. I have seen variation of that song. Recently Sonu Nigam has also sung this song. So do you think what that song would look like if you sing that song?
No, I think every artist has their own style, their own
Yes,
color.
that's what I'm saying.
But this song has a lot of classical element, and I'm not very comfortable with all the sargams and all that stuff. But you want me to sing two lines of
yeah,
that?
yeah. Would you like to?
আমি যে তোমার শুধু যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার oh it's actually very close to an old Bengali song হ্যাঁ জল আমি যে জলসা ঘরে বেলুয়ারি চাঁদ আমি এক জলসা ঘরে something like that. In fact, very funnily, there's a viral video where Sonu Nigam is learning that song and I'm teaching him the lyrics. I forgot myself now.
I have watched that actually.
So that same raga. So yeah.
But I thought actually when I listened to that Sonu Nigam version of that song, so I thought what it will look like if sung it. Matlab. So
Right now,
it was
I can't
very
even
nice.
talk. We went trekking. We went into that whole river. I'm parched. I was about to have breakfast, and then Pooja hijacked me for this interview.
मैंने
Now
book
I have
कर
to
दिया.
run. So
Okay. So and last question, what do you think about the rap culture of India? Is it growing?
It's growing. I think all kinds of today is very interesting because at one point Bollywood had taken over all the genres of music. Anything that has to become big has to come through a film. But now with non-film artists doing so well, there are so many performers here. They're going to be performing at the festival. They're all indie artists. I met the group Nalayak. It's very, very cool, very nice. There's Nikhil D'Souza. He has a lot of his own indie songs. So I think be it rap, be it R&B, be it even semi-classical kind of songs, ghazals, bhajans, it's all got a life back again. So as long as you do it to the best of your capability. People come and just put up something that is half-baked, something that is not, आपको ये समझना चाहिए कि लोग मुझे सुन रहे हैं तो सुनने लायक कुछ बनाना चाहिए.
Yes.
Not the band nalayak, but don't make music that is nalayak.
Good one. Thank you for joining India Today, Annie. And what will be your message to the people of Arunachal Pradesh?
Oh, you have a beautiful, beautiful state, and I know that a lot of youngsters want to have big, tall buildings. They want to have, all the things that you get in the city. But make sure that you don't lose out on what you have in trying to get what you want. Keep the nature, and I know that the people here, because they have their anime faith where they are one with nature, and that is the beautiful thing. And I think Arunachal Pradesh's message to the rest of the world is always safeguard nature, always live with nature, coexist with nature. And we are not, this doesn't belong to us. We belong to nature, so we should not destroy, spoil, and, do anything that will harm nature.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you for joining India Today.
And stay natural.
Yes. Thank you.